Hi everybody! Today I'm reading the story, Snappy Sounds Boo. This book makes some noises, so be ready. The art in this book was by Derek Matthews. It's a noisy, fun pop-up book. With a hoot, Owl will call everyone to the ball. It's time for a Halloween fright. The spooky ones come here one day each year. There's a scary party tonight. Bat? Can you find the bat? It's kind of hiding. Boop. Tree? Let's see if we can find the tree. I see 2 trees. Jack-o'-lantern? Can you find the jack-o'-lantern? There it is. And haunted house. Can you find the haunted house? There it is. Awesome. With a crackle, witch flies through the spooky night skies. On a broomstick she just won't behave. She'll dive and she'll swoop before looping the loop. But her poor cat is not quite so brave. This one's a cat. Yeah, the cat's right there on the broomstick, huh? Next word is a broomstick. Can you find the broomstick? Yeah, the witch and cat are on the broomstick flying. This word is hat. Can you find the hat? Yeah, the hat is on the witch's head. The last one to find is moon. Can you find the moon? There it is in the sky, up above the witch. There's a ghost train arriving, but look at who's driving. His passengers look rather pale. These ghosts love to haunt, so they're off on a jaunt. Watch them fly down the track with a whale. Ghosts. Can you find a ghost? Awesome, I see a few. Good job. There's one kind of hiding back here too. Whistle. Do you see the whistle? Yeah, it's up here on the top of the train. Next word is track. Can you find the track? Yeah, the train is going down the track. And the last word on this page is bell. Can you find the bell? Nice! The bell is up here on the front of the train. Awesome work. Ooh, what a spooky noise. Try not to give a shriek if you hear a loud creak in the graveyard on this dark night. But as Skeleton wakes, how he rattles and shakes as he springs from the grave with delight. Our first word here is clock. Can you find the clock? Nice, over here on the clock tower. Next word is shovel. Can you find the shovel? Yeah, the shovel's in front of the fence, stuck in the dirt. The next word is gravestone. Can you find the gravestone? There it is behind the skeleton. Our last word is owl. Can you find the owl? Yeah, the owl is flying back here behind the skeleton. Awesome job. Come and join in the fun, for the party's begun. There's music and mayhem for all. Monsters laughing out loud as he welcomes the crowd to the Snappy Town Halloween Ball. Ooh, spooky. Look at all our friendly Halloween friends. Oh, here's someone coming to visit. Can you say hi?
Hi!
Thanks for reading Snappy Sounds Boo with me. See you again soon.